Oh my god, I wasn't expecting such a big difference this fast. Was scrolling on TikTok and saw this whitening for just 250 ringgit. Murahnya! Raya is coming up, so of course I wanna be ready. Didn't even think twice, I just booked. Let's go! My first impression, super clean, not crowded, and the staff so friendly. Even the staff tolong I record my video. Made me feel really comfortable right away. Hilang terus rasa nervous. Started with scaling first. It's only at 2 ringgit, such a good deal kan? I also saw people on TikTok saying that doctor here is a legend in TTDI. Super friendly too, so I wasn't nervous at all. Okay, the scaling is done. Then straight to whitening. The doctor advised me how the whitening works. I just sit back and relax. It doesn't hurt at all, and the results, just wait for it. Oh my god, putihnya! I wasn't expecting such a big difference this fast. And if you are thinking about braces, they have that too. Just 300 deposit and monthly payment from 100 ringgit. Pretty worth it, right? If you have been thinking about getting your teeth whitened, scale or polish, Dr. Kamsia Dental Culture.